The UL-approved versions of Lovato Electric's P5 series molded case circuit breakers can be equipped with dedicated terminals, which facilitate wiring with both rigid and flexible cables. Each circuit breaker has its own accessory version, based on the maximum cable cross-section that can be connected. Now let's look at the assembly for the P5X501 and P5X502 terminals. Turn the switch upside down and remove the caps on the bottom. Use a flat blade screwdriver on the plastic protrusion and tap with a hammer. It's not necessary to apply much force. After a few taps, you'll be able to remove the cap. Then insert the terminals, making sure they are oriented correctly, with the protrusion facing upwards, like this. Make sure the terminal is fully inserted by pushing it in with a screwdriver and a hammer. Now, you can insert a wire into the terminal socket and tighten it using the grub screw provided. Let's now look at the assembly for the P5X503 and P5X504 terminal sockets. Insert the socket in front of the switch terminal. There are protrusions on the socket that will help you align it with the terminal. Secure the terminal with the Phillips head screw provided. Then insert the grub screw into the terminal socket to secure the wires. Once the switch is wired, install the terminal cover provided with the switch using the two small Phillips head screws. Happy wiring!